This is what Christmas looks like here in Bangkok. We're going to be showing you all throughout multiple days what it's like, the festivities here in Bangkok, Thailand. So starting off here at the M-Sphere Mall. As you can see, we already got the costumes. Before we actually go in the mall, let's take a tour and see all the lights. Wow. Just look at all of these lights. Wow. So this is like a roller coaster. Wow. All right, let's actually go inside. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. This is the Gourmet Winter Wonderland. Just look at the design. This is unreal. This is just the cool thing about going to malls, because it's better than just staying inside and ordering food at a normal restaurant. It's nice to go out, let's you just witness kind of the atmosphere of these places. All right, guys, check it out. We're here at this quite nice restaurant, Holy Belly. It's sour though. It's got some hummus right here. And then we got this like shrimp pasta. This meal was about, the shrimp pasta, this was about 380, 350 baht, which is expensive for Thailand standards. But if I think back in US standards, this is only like 10 bucks. 10 bucks is like a Big Mac meal. It's kind of sour.
What is sour?
A little bit sour. Not bad. I probably wouldn't order it again, but not bad. All right, guys, just gonna check out the top floor of the M-Sphere Mall. This is one of the nicest places to actually go out. They have a mixture of bars and clubs. So this is a popular Thai bar right here. It's called Chon. It's very Thai style. They have live music. This is probably like 90% Thai crowd. Always packed. We have the Tribe rooftop. Has an absolutely amazing view. Just look at this place. This place is just awesome. Wait, what day is today? Monday, right?
Yeah, Monday.
Yeah, today is a Monday and it's already that busy. That's the thing with Bangkok, it's always going to be something going on. Actually, that's the thing with Thailand, always something going on here. Over here we just have just kind of like a court where you can enjoy drinks. And they have a free show right now. The reason we came here today is to just play some pool. They have this kind of small little game hall area here. So this is just what me and my girl do when we don't feel like drinking. We just play pool. We play a lot of pool together. It's good. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, wow. That was so close. All right, guys, this was M-Sphere. We're going to go ahead and call it a night tonight, so we'll see you the next day. All right, Merry Christmas, guys. Today is December 25th. And we're going to be exploring the Chit Lom neighborhood. We're specifically going to be going to Central World. So I'm just going to show you guys around this very, very posh, very high-so neighborhood. This is probably one of the most expensive neighborhoods here in Thailand. Guys, as you can see, there is a lot of traffic. I'm currently waiting to see if I show up on this TV. Because many people have tagged me in photos saying I've been on this TV before. Wow, there I am. Huh. Wow, look at me. Woo! Right there on the street, on the billboards. In case you guys haven't seen before, this is one of the most impressive pieces of architecture here. This is Gason Amari. We got this really nice Louis Vuitton store. I mean, the architecture is absolutely incredible. And here we are. This is the Central World Chit Lom area. As you can see, it's very, very vibrant, very bustling. It's like Asok, but more refined, more luxurious, but just as chaotic and very hectic. And this is the Etawan, Bangkok. And as you can see, we have a very famous temple area right here. A lot of people come here and pray. As you can see here, we have the Apple Store. Very, very nicely designed. And here we are approaching Central World. We have the absolutely huge, huge, huge Christmas tree. Check it out, guys. That is one impressive Christmas tree. As you can see, guys, it is very, very packed. Wow, they even have some mudang face masks. By the way, guys, if you follow social media and if you know who Lalisa is from Blackpink, this is like the most popular thing right now. These are the Labubu babies. They're just absolutely everywhere. Speaking of Labubu, my girlfriend really wants to go to this shop that has like other similar brands of Labubu. Yeah, this is what I mean, guys. This is absolutely taking Asia by storm. All these people are in line to buy a collectible. It's absolutely taking social media by storm. All right, guys, check it out. This is the Central World Christmas tree. It's actually really, really huge. It's very, very beautiful. Wow. All right, let's see what's over here. This is that Labubu baby I was talking about earlier. Just a side note, I feel like a lot of things in Thailand are very, very international. Like Thailand is always on the news, it's always trending something from Thailand, whether it's like mudang, whether it's the Labuba, whether it's, I don't know, is there anything else trending? I don't know. I just feel like I always see Thailand on the news. I got some really, really nice design. This reminds me a lot of Saks Fifth Avenue, of how festive it is over there. It's like a whole Christmas town over here. Wow. Just got a bunch of shops. Got a bunch of, mainly just shops and foods and restaurants. People who have never been to Thailand probably couldn't imagine that this is Thailand right now. This is Bangkok. Like, it just looks so first class. I always say this in my videos, but I mean, every day I'm just surprised. Looks like they had a concert over here. Looks like we just missed it. The thing was with Bangkok, they always have these free concerts. I've never seen that before in America. Alright guys, this was just a short video of what it's like here in Bangkok during the Christmas times. Hope you guys have had a very good Merry Christmas and a good Happy Holidays and a good New Year's. If you guys are actually interested in making this move out here to Bangkok, to wherever you want to be a digital nomad, check out the remote work mentorship I have, link in the description, where I teach you how to get a remote work job. But that's it for this video. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you guys in the next video.